Hey everyone, today we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing in the tech world and has all eyes on Tesla once again. Yes, you guessed it. Elon Musk and his massive $50 billion pay package challenge. Now let's set the stage. Imagine you're Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, and you're pushing for a pay package that's not just big. It's the biggest ever observed in public markets. That's a whopping $50 billion. But there's a twist. This isn't just about the money, it's about securing a future where Musk continues to steer Tesla towards even greater innovations and profitability. In a bold move, Tesla released a video featuring Optimus, Musk's humanoid robot, to instruct shareholders on how to cast their votes. Talk about using tech to win votes. And if that wasn't enough, voters were tempted with a chance to win a Musk-escorted tour of Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin. I mean, who wouldn't want to hang out with Musk and get a sneak peek at where the magic happens? Musk didn't stop there. He took to his social media platform X to drum up support, confidently predicting a win and stating, "The public sentiment is unequivocally supportive. It's clear that Musk is not just playing the game, he's changing how the game is played." Now why is this pay package so crucial? According to Tesla's chair, Robin Denholm, keeping Musk at the helm with this motivational package is more important than ever. Over the past 6 years, Musk has been pivotal in driving Tesla's growth in size and profitability. It's about retaining his attention and motivating him to continue pouring his time, energy, ambition, and vision into Tesla. So what do you think? Is this pay package justified? Can Musk continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive and tech industries? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech and Tesla. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.